Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture I am going to talk about series resonance circuit. Actually I had discussed this series resonance circuit in basic electrical engineering also. Clear? So here again I am going to repeat it. Actually I had to discuss much more on the parallel resonance circuit. Okay, but here I am going to discuss only to clear your concept and some more quantities I am going to develop for facing the competitive examination as well as for facing the gate examination. So just I am repeating it, but you have to study, you have to read in the basic electrical engineering I had discussed. So I'm just here I'm going to take in fast, just to clear your brush up your knowledge. Okay. So here, what is a series resonance circuit? See here, in AC circuit is said to be in resonance if it behaves like purely resistive. That is the condition. In AC circuit, that circuit is said to be in resonance if it behaves like purely resistive. Okay. The total current drawn by the circuit is then in phase with the applied voltage. अगर purely resistive है तो both voltage and current will be in the same phase. Means the phase angle between voltage and current will be zero. And if the phase angle between voltage and current zero hai, so what is the power factor? It is cos of phi. Cos of zero means it is 1. So power factor will be unity. Okay. In case of resonance condition, the inductive reactance and capacitive reactance are cancelled to each other. XL equal to XC and they will cancel to each other. Okay. This is called as resonance condition. So just see here. I am going to draw the circuit. For example, resistance is there, L is there, C is there, RLC circuit is there. Okay, and this is connected to supply voltage V. When you apply the voltage V, current will flow. Okay, and when the current will flow, voltage drop here is VR, voltage drop here is VL, and voltage drop across here is VC. If you draw the vector diagram, so I am going to take single quantity current is there. देखो we have 4 voltages VR, VL, VC, V and single current is there. So in case of series resonance condition, we will take current as a reference always. This is a question examiner may ask. In case of series resonance condition, which quantity we have to take as a reference? It is single quantity current is there in series circuit, so current is better to take current as a reference. So if you take, so VR कहाँ रहेगा? In case of, we know in case of purely resistive circuit, voltage and current are in the same phase, so VR will be here. VL, in case of purely inductive circuit, voltage if you take as a reference, current will lag. और current को reference है तो voltage will lead here. So voltage will be here. In case of purely capacitive circuit VC, current leads by angle of 90 degree. तो current reference है तो voltage will lag. Clear? So this is the 3 vectors I have drawn. Now total supply voltage draw करना है तो पहली बात बताएं आपको, in case of series resonance condition, this VL and this VC will be same. So VL and VC will be equal. VL equal to क्या होता है? I into XL equal to VC equal to I into XC. So I will be cancelled. So this is the condition of resonance, XL equal to XC. This is the condition of okay. Second, voltage and current are in the same phase. याद रखना, ये generally examiner ask these questions in MCQs. Okay, voltage and current are in the same phase. Condition of resonance क्या है? XL equal to XC. Okay. So examiner may ask this question: what is the condition of resonance? Inductive reactance XL equal to capacitive reactance XC. Condition of resonance: voltage and current both are in the same phase. Clear? So this is the condition we have. Now I'm just see what is the next. Okay. Okay. ठीक है. Next I'm going to discuss. So under resonance condition, what is the current, what is the plots we are going to try it. Okay. So see here now how it is achieved. रेजोनेंस कंडीशन आर यू चेंजिंग द एक्सएल इक्वल टू क्या होता है एक्सएल इक्वल टू होता है 2 एक्सएल इक्वल टू व्हाट 2 पाई एफ एल और एक्स होता है 1 अपॉन 2 पाई एफ सी. So if you want to achieve this resonance condition, you have to change whether value of L or C or both are frequency. You have to vary the frequency. We will not change the value of L and C continuously. Clear? So to achieve this, so we know Z equal to क्या होता है Z equal to what R, yeah, forget it. V equal to what V equal to what VR plus JVL minus JVC क्योंकि these two are out of phase by angle of 180 degree, it will cancel to each other. Clear? So VR equal to क्या होता है IR plus JIXL minus कॉमन ले लो J IXC. If you take I common, you will get R plus J XL minus XC, and this is known as Z. So V equal to what? I into Z. Clear? At resonance, XL equal to XC. XL equal to XC, so they will cancel to each other, these two. So no reactive term, so Z equal to what? IJ, V equal to IZ equal to IR. So Z equal to what? I will be cancelled. You will get Z equal to R. Circuit will behave like purely resistive. Circuit will behave like purely resistive. Okay. In case of purely resistive circuit, phase angle phi equal to 0. Both voltage and current are in the same phase. You can say voltage and current are in the same phase. Supply voltage भी यही है. V equal to what? V equal to what? IZ equal to IR. So V equal to what? VR. Right? Supply voltage V equal to IR. IR मतलब VR. Supply voltage will be supply voltage equal to voltage across resistance phi equal to 0. Voltage and current are in the same phase, and power factor cos of 0. Power factor क्या होगा 1. So these are the questions the examiner may ask in MCQ. I'm going to talk this chapter here only to clear your concept about MCQ. So what is the phase angle between voltage and current? 0. Phi equal to 0. Power factor equal to cos 0 is 1. Condition of resonance equal to what? XL equal to XC. Okay. Z equal to what? R. Impedance Z equal to R. Okay. So this is the series resonance condition. I am rubbing it. So I'll discuss this resonance condition will occur at a particular frequency. I will discuss later on. Okay. Now plots for different quantities with frequency. So if you going to plot different quantities, so I'm going to take the frequency. Frequency F versus XL. We know XL equal to what? XL equal to होता है 2 pi F into L. XL equal to what? 2 pi FL, right? XL equal to 2 pi FL. And what is the frequency 0? Frequency 0, so XL is 0. frequency, as frequency increase, XL will increase. So it is like this curve. This is XL curve, right? X equal to what? 1 upon 2 pi fc. Frequency is 0. If frequency is 0, X equal to infinite. As the frequency increases, X will decrease. So this curve you will get like this. This is in the JXL लिखते हैं ना, JXL, और ये माइनस JXC लिखते हैं, तो ये कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में आएगा? इन दिस फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में, XC minus JXC. Clear ना? So at frequency 0, XC is infinite. Frequency 0, XC is infinite. और जैसे जैसे frequency बढ़ेगी, XC will be reduced to 0, right? So this is the XC curve. Z, R equal to what? Independent of frequency. Independent of frequency. So let us say Z equal to R, ये Z है, constant value of Z. Okay, R. So I got R. Okay. Now at this lower part of frequency, you can say this XC is more at this frequency. Okay, so Z equal to क्या होता है? Z equal to R minus J XC minus XL. Because at lower part, XC will be more, XL will be less. So circuit will behave like a RC circuit. So at here, at lower side, at lower frequency, circuit will be RC, right? Power factor will be leading. Circuit will behave like a RC circuit. Clear? Or at particular frequency, at this frequency, this is XL and this is XC will be equal. Clear? So if XL at resonance frequency, it is represented by FR. XL equal to XC. XL equal to XC तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So Z equal to क्या होगा? Z equal to what? Z equal to what? Z equal to R. So here this is frequency known as resonant frequency. At this frequency Z equal to R रहेगा. Z equal to what? R, because these two will be cancelled to each other, right? Now Z equal to R. Now here सर्किट में इस पर्टिकुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी पे, XC ज्यादा है, Z इक्वल टू क्या होगा? Z इक्वल टू व्हाट? R माइनस J XC मोर माइनस XL कम है, सो Z विल बी मोर. और जैसे जैसे आप रेजोनेंस की तरफ जाएंगे Z कम होता जाएगा, तो पावर Z का एंगल कैसे आएगा? ऐसे आएगा. It is like this. Clear? This is the Z curve. Because Z will be more. क्लियर? कम होते होते यहाँ पर क्या होगा? XL और XC इक्वल हो जाएंगे. If XL XC इक्वल हो जाएंगे तो they will cancel together. Z equal to R. Now again if you increase the frequency, again Z will start increasing. Why it will start increasing? क्यों भाई? After resonance Z equal to क्या हो जाएगा? Z equal to R plus J XL माइनस XC. अभी ये XL बढ़ता जाएगा, XC कम होता जाएगा, so this gap will increase, so again Z will increase. So this is the Z curve. ये जो कर्व दिख रहा है ना V शेप में, वो Z कर्व है. Okay, so this is the Z curve you will get. And सबसे मिनिमम यहाँ पर मिनिमम Z कब आएगा? Z इक्वल टू मिनिमम कब होगा? That is equal to R at resonance. सो Z कम होते होते मिनिमम इतना आएगा, उसके नीचे नहीं आएगा. और I अगर एट रेजोनेंस एट रेजोनेंस I इक्वल टू क्या होगा, V by Z, V by R. सो दिस इज अगर ये मिनिमम है तो दिस विल बी मैक्सिमम. इसका मतलब है करंट कर्व लेंगे तो करंट कर्व कैसे आएगा, ऐसे आएगा. एट रेजोनेंस, सॉरी थोड़ा सा तिरछा हो गया, एट रेजोनेंस इट इज I0 मैक्सिमम होगा. सो दिस इज द करंट कर्व. So current curve will be like, so I will be maximum, I will be maximum at resonance. And what is the value of current? I equal to V by Z, and Z equal to क्या होता है, V by R. So I0 that is a at resonance I0 इसको बोल सकते करंट को equal to V upon R, because okay, so these are the curves we have. इसके अलावा if you want you can draw few more curves. Okay, so I'm stopping, actually मैं इसको यहीं रोक के इसको कंटिन्यू करूंगा बाद में, but these are the curves we are getting. Okay, this part जो ये वाला पार्ट है लेस देन फ्रीक्वेंसी FR, फ्रीक्वेंसी लेस देन FR अगर है तो RC सर्किट, इट इज बिहेविंग लाइक RC सर्किट. फ्रीक्वेंसी मोर देन FR है यहाँ, फ्रीक्वेंसी मोर देन FR यहाँ, सर्किट कैसे बिहेव करेगा, लाइक ए RL सर्किट. RL क्यों भाई, क्योंकि XL बढ़ता जाएगा, XL बढ़ रहा है और XC कम होता जा रहा है, तो सर्किट विल बिहेव लाइक ए RL. एट रेजोनेंस सर्किट बिहेविंग लाइक व्हाट, प्योरली रेजिस्टिव. याद रखना ये. ओके, सो दीज आर द कर्व्स आई हैड ड्रॉन. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्कस द थ्योरी. अदर देन दैट, this is only I am going to cover only to clear your concept about from the GATE point of view or from the competitive examination point of view. Okay, so I am rubbing it. Next I am going to discuss about resonance frequency. Okay, so we know what is the condition of resonance. What is the condition of resonance? What is the condition of resonance? XL equal to XC. XL क्या होता है, 2 pi FL equal to 1 upon 2 pi FC. सो यहाँ आ जाएगा F स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. F स्क्वायर इक्वल टू क्या होगा, 1 अपान ये 2 पाई L यहाँ आएगा तो 2 इंटू 2 4 पाई स्क्वायर L यहाँ आएगा L एंड C. सो F इक्वल टू व्हाट, 1 अपान दिस इज 2, दिस इज पाई, this root L into C. Clear? So this frequency is known as resonant frequency. What is the resonant frequency? FR equal to 1 upon 2 pi root LC. And 2 pi FR क्या होता है, 2 pi F क्या होता है, 1 upon root LC. So इसको बोलते हैं resonant frequency in omega r, रेडियन पर सेकेंड. ओके, omega AR क्या होता है, omega r equal to 1 upon root LC. But this is the resonant frequency. Examiner may ask, L and C will be given, calculate the resonant frequency. Now they can ask this question, if the C increases, what will happen? अगर C कम होगा तो डिनोमिनेटर will be कम होगा, डिनोमिनेटर कम होगा तो FR क्या होगा, बढ़ेगा. If L कम होगा तो क्या होगा, इंडक्टेंस कम होगा तो FR will increase. If C will increase, FR will decrease. If L will increase, FR. So this formula अगर आपको मालूम है तो you can comment by variation of the L and C क्या होगा FR के ऊपर इफेक्ट. If the variation of R, कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा FR के ऊपर, कोई फार्मूला ही नहीं है. So be careful about this. That is the resonant frequency. You must know it. Okay. Next I am going to discuss quality factor of RLC circuit. What is a quality factor of RLC circuit? Okay. So again, examiner may ask this question: quality factor. What is a quality factor of RLC series circuit? Quality factor, it is represented by capital Q. Quality factor Q is defined as the ratio of, it is defined as the ratio of what? Voltage across inductance VL to the supply voltage V. Quality factor is defined as the ratio of voltage drop across inductance to the supply voltage V at resonance. Be careful about it. At resonance. Okay. So VL equal to क्या होगा? I XL upon I Z. V equal to क्या होता है? I Z. I will be cancelled. You can say XL. And at resonance है Z equal to क्या होता है at resonance? R. Okay. So quality factor equal to, you can say, XL upon R. Now what is the value of XL? XL equal to what? 2 pi f L upon R. And this R is nothing but, this frequency is nothing but resonant frequency, because condition is there at resonance. So 2 pi f R L upon R equal to what? 2 pi L upon R. 2 pi L upon R. और एफ आर क्या होता है? रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या होती है? 1 upon 2 pi root LC. Okay, so this 2 pi will be cancelled. Quality factor equal to what? 1 upon R. ये L है और ये रूट L है, तो ये कट जाने के बाद क्या बचेगा? रूट L यहाँ, और यहाँ क्या बचेगा? रूट C. So you will get 1 upon R root L by C. This is the formula for quality factor. Quality factor equal to what? 1 upon R. Examiner may ask in MCQs, what is a quality factor? What is the formula for it? Second, what is the effect of L increases? L increases, quality factor will increase. C increases, quality factor will decrease. R increases, quality factor will decrease. So quality factor depends on what? RLC. Clear? तो ये क्वेश्चन इस टाइप के, अगर आपको ये फार्मूला मालूम है, इफ यू राइट द फार्मूला यू कैन कमेंट क्वालिटी फैक्टर के ऊपर क्या चेंज आने वाला है. Okay, so be careful about what is a quality factor. Next, I'm rubbing it. Next, selectivity and bandwidth. Selectivity and bandwidth. What is the selectivity and bandwidth? See here, we have drawn the variation. मैं ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं लेने वाला. This is the frequency versus current. I'm going to draw it, and if you see, I told you already, at resonance और Z इक्वल टू क्या होता है? R माइनस J XC माइनस XL या प्लस JXL. So जैसे जैसे frequency increases, as the frequency will increase, XC will decrease, XL will increase. So क्लियर ना? सो ये कम हो, ये जो रिएक्टिव कंपोनेंट है, ये जे कंपोनेंट वो कम होता जाएगा. सो जेड विल इंक्रीज. क्लियर? सो आई विल डिक्रीज. एट रेजोनेंस दिस टू विल बी इक्वल. सो एट रेजोनेंस दे विल बी कैंसिल टू ईच अदर. जेड इक्वल टू आर, इट इज मिनिमम. सो करंट विल बी मैक्सिमम. सो करंट कर्व ऐसा आएगा. This is the current curve. Okay, this is the current I am getting, I0 at resonance. At resonance क्या होगा? I0 equal to V by R. Clear? Now this is called as maximum amount of current. Okay. Now, as the frequency of the applied voltage deviates on either side, this frequency you can say, this frequency is known as resonant frequency. You are getting this at resonance condition, right? Now, if you deviate the frequency in either side, or this side, what will happen? Current will be reduced, and current यहाँ और यहाँ at this frequency, right? Current कम हो जाएगा. At here also current will be reduced. Clear? So here this frequency is known as half power frequency. F1 it is called as lower half power frequency, and F2 this is called as upper half power frequency. You can say this. F1 is called as lower half power frequency. Why it is called as half power frequency? If you deviate the current in either side, so power will become half power. यहाँ का current क्या हो जाएगा? I0 by √2 times. This will also become I0 here, I0 by √2 times. और current ये 1 by √2 times हो गया, तो I0 by √2 times का square into resistance, that is a power loss. तो क्या हो जाएगा? I square R upon 2. Power will become half. 2 means one half. So that's why it is called as half power frequency. So if you deviate the frequency in either side, clear, the current falls to 1 by √2 times the maximum current, 1 by √2 times of the I0. So this frequency is known as half power frequency. F1 is called as lower half power frequency, and F2 is called as upper half power frequency. And this F2 minus F1, this gap, F2 minus F1 is known as bandwidth. इसको बोलते हैं half power bandwidth, or simply you can say it is half power bandwidth, or 3 dB bandwidth भी बोलते हैं, or 3 dB bandwidth. So you can say it is half power bandwidth, or 3 dB bandwidth, or it is also called as simply bandwidth. Okay. Now the selectivity. What is the selectivity? What is the selectivity? Selectivity of a resonant circuit is defined as the ratio of selectivity of a circuit is defined as the ratio of a resonant frequency to the bandwidth. So selectivity is a quality actually. It is defined as the ratio of FR. Selectivity is defined as what? FR upon bandwidth कितनी होती है? F2 minus F1. So in this way you can define the selectivity, defined as the FR upon F2 minus FR. Okay. So again I'm not going to discuss this in detail. I'm not going to drive the formula. So if you see what is the value of F1, if you solve, so you will get F1 equal to FR minus this, FR minus this ना, ये वाला पार्ट इतना. So FR minus ये जो वैल्यू है इसको बोलते हैं R upon FR upon R upon 4 pi L. I'm not going to drive this formula, okay, because ये just only you from GATE examination point of view, or you must know here, that's why I'm taking here. Okay. So F1 equal to, this is FR upon minus R upon 4 pi L, और F2 इक्वल टू क्या होगा? F2 इक्वल टू क्या होगा? FR प्लस ये जो पार्ट है उतना ही होगा, कितना? R upon 4 pi L. ओके, सो दिस इज f2. सो व्हाट इज द बैंडविड्थ f2 माइनस f1? क्या होगा बैंडविड्थ? बैंडविड्थ f2 माइनस f1 इक्वल टू क्या होगा? दिस माइनस दिस, तो कैंसिल होगा, दिस माइनस दिस इक्वल टू क्या बचेगा? अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, दिस माइनस ये माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा ना, तो यू विल गेट दिस प्लस दिस. ओके, सो यू विल गेट, इसको अगर एलसीएम लेने के बाद दिस प्लस दिस करेंगे दोनों को, तो यू विल गेट r अपॉन 2 पाई l. प्लीज बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. बैंडविड्थ होता है r अपॉन 2 पाई l. ये f2 क्या होगा? रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी प्लस r अपॉन 4 पाई l. f1 क्या होगा? रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी माइनस r अपॉन 4 पाई l. एंड द गैप कितना होगा? f2 माइनस f1 r अपॉन 2 पाई l. r upon 2 pi l. So again the last portion here I am going to discuss the selectivity. fr equal to क्या होता है? fr upon this f2 minus f1, right, equal to fr क्या होता है? 1 upon 2 pi root l c. fr equal to क्या होता है? 1 upon 2 pi root l c. लास्ट स्लाइड में मैंने इसको निकाला था. और ये क्या होता है? f2 माइनस f1 अपॉन r अपॉन 2 पाई l. अब भी बताया r अपॉन 2 पाई l. सो 2 पाई विल बी कैंसिल्ड. ये l बाई r हो जाएगा, l बाई r, और ये हो जाएगा, ये क्या हो जाएगा? l बाई r, और यहाँ हो जाएगा 1 बाई रूट एल सी. Okay, so you will get 1 by r, this l will be cancelled, so root l by c. Okay, ये फार्मूला काय का है? This is nothing but it is Q, quality factor. तो selectivity is nothing but quality factor. Q equal to what? 1 by r root l by c. Be careful about it. Selectivity is nothing but it is the quality factor of the circuit. So I have taken some formulas. What is f1, what is f2, what is the bandwidth, what is the selectivity, what is the quality factor. You must know for series RLC circuit. Only just I am taking to clear your concept. That is just like a revision. Okay. Next, I am going to discuss about one more, variation of current and voltage with frequency. Variation of current and voltage with frequency. So see here, ये मैं सिर्फ इसलिए ले रहा हूँ कि you must know it. Again, I am not going to drive this formula. Only this is the various quantity I am taking here, and this is the frequency. This is the various quantity. Okay, so this is frequency known as fr. Okay, so अगर आप ड्रा करेंगे तो you will get एक another कर्व ऐसा आने वाला है, और एक कर्व ऐसा भी आएगा. I'm not going, I'm in here. This is what? VL max. This is what? VC max. These are the various quantity you can say. You can draw the current, VC, VL, VR, like that. Clear ना? और यहाँ पर आता है करंट इज मैक्सिमम, मतलब VR क्या होता है? VR इक्वल टू सप्लाई वोल्टेज. ओके ना? तो ये वैल्यू VR मे बी दिस, इट डिपेंड्स, फॉरगेट इट. जो VR रहेगा वो यहाँ मैक्सिमम रहेगा. क्या होगा? इससे ज्यादा होगा, यहाँ होगा, ये होगा, कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो लेट अस से this is VR max because I is maximum. Okay, so this is the variation of voltage across capacitor, voltage across inductor, voltage across resistance with the variation of the frequency. So at resonant frequency, VC और VL ये दोनों कहाँ पर हैं? These two are out of phase by angle of 180 degree. so they will cancel to each other. Or clear na? At resonant frequency, here at this frequency, at resonant, only V supply at resonant, at resonant frequency, VL equal to VC will cancel out. Or supply voltage V equal to what? Supply voltage V equal to what? VR. Okay. और यहाँ पर VR will be maximum, जो भी आएगा. Now I want to make VC maximum. VC you want to make maximum. So this will occur at a particular frequency. इसको बोलते हैं FC. VC will be maximum at particular frequency, that is called as FC. So I'm not going to drive this formula. FC का formula है 1 upon, कम होगा ना FR से. So 1 upon 2 pi under root what? 1 by LC. So this is FR minus R square upon 2L square. Okay. So ये रूट एल सी बाहर लोगे तो क्या आएगा? एफ सी इक्वल टू क्या आएगा? एफ सी इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 2 पाई रूट एल सी बाहर लिया. सो यहाँ क्या आएगा? 1 माइनस आर स्क्वायर सी बाई 2L. ओके. सो दिस एफ सी इक्वल टू व्हाट? ये क्या होता है? एफ आर, रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी, इन ब्रैकेट अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस ये 2 है ही. और Q इक्वल टू क्या होता है? Q इक्वल टू क्या होता है? 1 बाई आर रूट एल बाई सी. सो Q स्क्वायर क्या होगा? 1 बाई आर स्क्वायर एल बाई सी. क्लियर ना? ओके. सो 1 बाई Q स्क्वायर क्या होगा? आर स्क्वायर सी बाई एल. तो यहाँ देखो आर स्क्वायर सी बाई एल, तो इसके बदले में क्या ले सकती है? 1 बाई क्यू. सो 1 बाई क्यू स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज एफ सी. एफ सी विल बी एट पर्टिकुलर एफ सी, करंट विल बी, वोल्टेज वी सी विल बी मैक्सिमम. सो ये क्या है? फ्रीक्वेंसी एट विच वी सी मैक्सिमम. दिस इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी एट विच वी सी मैक्सिमम. क्या कैसे निकालेंगे? एफ आर इन ब्रैकेट 1 माइनस 1 बाई 2 क्यू स्क्वायर. Clear na? Okay. Next is the, I have to, that is a plot. Okay. और अगर आप उसको निकालते FL को, so FL equal to, FL is what? FL is what? It is the frequency at which VL is maximum. So this is the FL. FL equal to, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, ये उल्टा होता है. 1 FR upon under root of 1 minus 1 by 2 Q square. Be careful about it. या ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं FR जो भी है 1 upon 2 pi root LC. ओके. इंटू 1 upon 1 minus R square C by 2L. सो याद रखना है यहाँ FR इंटू FC के लिए FR इंटू दिस है 1 माइनस 1 बाई 2 क्यू स्क्वायर, और यहाँ FL इक्वल टू FR अपॉन 1 अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस 1 बाई 2 क्यू स्क्वायर. बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. So this is the variation of voltage and current, maximum value of voltage and current you will get. So just only for clearing your concept I have taken this part. So this will be useful to solve some GATE examination. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm stopping here. I will take this parallel resonance circuit in details. Your concept should be clear about the parallel resonance, because in basic electrical engineering I have discussed already the series resonance, so I'm not going in detail here. I have taken what is the resonance frequency, what is the quality factor, what is the bandwidth, what is the selectivity, how the variation of voltage VC and VL maximum कब होगा, this I have taken. Okay, so thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.